Mercedes S-Class W223 body kit, plastic front lip. It's upper and lower pieces. Trunk spoiler, back diffuser. Diffuser have all the garnishes. Exhaust tips. It's a smoke type with the bracket. This is bumper vents already equipped with this LED. LED is white color. Pair of them. Brackets, trunk spoiler. This is to be painted. So this is just a black plastic. Lip and diffuser and spoiler has to be painted. If you want to paint gloss black, we can do that for additional cost, or give you without paint. That's the kit. S-Class body kit. 223. 2022, 23, 24 model. Fitment. Tool hook covers here, small, it's also included here. Lower garnishes included. Wire harness also included.